Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to be covering how to go from fractions to percents. So we have two steps that we're going to use in order to do so. We're going to divide the numerator by the denominator and then multiply that answer by 100. We can also just multiply by 100 by moving the decimal twice to the right. So we have four examples right here, and we're going to go through them all together so we can get this done. So let's start with our first example. For our first example, we have 3/4. And we're gonna turn this to percents. So the first thing we are gonna do is we're gonna divide our numerator by our denominator. So we're gonna do 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. So now for the next step, we're gonna multiply this by 100. So we're going to do it in both ways. So we're going to do 0.75 times 100, and this equals 75%. So this will be our answer. But you can also do this by moving the decimal to the right twice. So like this, 1 and 2 times. And this will give you the exact same answer of 75%. So now let's go to our second example. For our second example, we have 7/20. Well, of course, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to divide our numerator by our denominator. So we're going to do 7 divided by 20. 7 divided by 20 equals 0.35. Now we're going to multiply this by 100. So we're going to do 0.35 times 100. Well, this will equal 35. And I can show you this equals 35% by moving the decimal to the right twice, 1 and 2 times. And this will equal the exact same answer as the first method. So now let's go over to our third example. For our third example, we have 5/8. So the first step we're going to take again is we're going to divide 5 by 8. This will equal 62.5. My bad, guys. It will equal 0.625. So what we're going to do now is we're going to multiply this by 100. 0.625 times 100. This will equal 62.5%. And again, I can show you this by moving the decimal twice to the right, once and twice, and this will equal the exact same answer, 62.5%. And now let's go over to our last example. For our last example, we have 9/50. So we're going to do 9 divided by 50. 9 divided by 50 equals 0.18. So now we're going to multiply that answer by 100. So we're going to do 0.18 times 100. This will equal 18%. And this also will be our final answer. And now again, you can do this by moving the decimal twice to the right, and you will get the exact same answer of 18%. Or actually, let's circle it like this, 18%. So this was basically the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments. And this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.